Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my room. My room has been honestly super chaotic, super messy, so let's just get clean, get motivated, and get productive. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And I post every Sunday, so let's just get straight on into today's cleaning and organizing. I'm super excited because my room looks like a whole new room, honestly. Okay, so here's the before. It looks crazy. I just have so much laundry, stuff everywhere, shoes everywhere. This is a case of I haven't been putting back my things where they need to go. But the first thing I did is my laundry. I hate doing laundry. I don't even know how to explain it. I hate separating my clothes. I hate folding my clothes. I hate putting them away. I love wearing clothes, but I just don't like actually putting my clothes away or washing them and stuff. And I'm not even the one that's washing it. It's a washing machine, but still. So it takes me a while to do my laundry. That's why this stack is so large. But I finally separated it. I feel like once I did my laundry, I got the motivation and momentum to continue doing the rest of my stuff. I decided to separate it within 2 or 3 baskets so that I don't even know, have the little baskets. Then I moved on to my dresser. The thing is, I feel like I've been trying to not deep clean my room because I want to do a room makeover, but I don't think that's gonna happen for a while, so I need to just clean it either way. But yes, my dresser is where I just throw random stuff, and the crazy part is this is one of the first things you see as you walk in my room, so it really should be clean. I don't know, anything that I would get, I'd either throw it here or I'd throw it on my desk. And those are two pretty big, essential pieces in my room. So, I don't know. But the semester is almost over, and I feel like I've been having a lack of motivation to do anything in my life. And it's been really dwindling down because I feel like either you have those professors that have a lot of stuff that happens in the beginning of the semester, and then by the end you don't have that much, or you have it where they ease up, and then by the end of the semester you have a bunch of stuff to do. So I have a mixture of both of those types of professors, and I feel like they've just been I've just been not stressing, but also just done with school. Mentally I'm checked out, and I think it's just because I've been working super hard. I've been studying a lot. I just need a break. And then when I would come home, I didn't want to be in my room because my room was a disaster and a mess. But another thing is it was so dusty because I haven't wiped down all this, these surfaces in my room either. So that was another thing. I also got rid of a couple of things. I didn't really deep clean too much. It was more of cleaning the surfaces and organizing things and putting them back where they need to go. My room just looks so much bigger when there's not a mess, and I was kind of shocked because now I'm living in my room and I'm where has all this space been? Another thing is I've had the bookshelf for a little bit, but I got it this year. My dad had it and he just gave it to me because I had too many books, so but I always reorganize them, and I've been journaling, as I've mentioned, I think in a couple videos back or something like that. I've been journaling. Here's a new book, Dead Girls Can't Tell Secrets. I got this $50 gift card from Amazon, and the first thing I did was order books. So stay tuned for a mini little short or something like that of all the books that I end up getting. But I try to keep my books organized, but then I started throwing all of my scrapbooking and junk journaling and all of that onto my bookcase, and I was why am I doing that? And then it was just a disaster, and I have all of my journals closer to the bottom, so I really need to, I don't know, let me know if you think of a way for me to organize my journaling stuff. I don't know if I should put it in my desk, because I have things in my desk, you'll see it eventually, I have a cabinet, but all of my shelves are full of stuff, so I don't know. And then I also have this stationery cart. I tried to kind of put a little bit of my journaling stuff on here because, why not? This was mainly my stationery, and then I realized that a lot of the stationery I have here is not, I don't really use it too much, so I have to start using it more, I guess. But I'm trying to kind of condense everything. I also have these 2 candles that I need to use eventually. I had this thing where I was collecting these candles and I loved them so much, and then I would keep the glass without the wax in it because I was like, I'm gonna use it for something. Wrong mindset. That's like a hoarding mindset in my point of view. If you're super crafty, then you probably would have used it for something, but me personally, I just like, I don't even know, I didn't really use it. So here is me still trying to like figure out, here's me putting my journaling stuff in that like extra shelf that I had, because I just condensed everything together. Again, if you have like a way, if you're looking at my room and you think of like a space that I could put all my journaling stuff, that'd be great, because I'm kind of hitting a dead end with that. But yeah, I've been saying that my stationery, I haven't been finding any stationery that I absolutely love. So a lot of the stationery that I have is either ones that I've tested out for videos, or I don't know, just like ones that I've had for a really long time but I don't use them anymore, because I'm pretty good about like my staple stationery. I just stick with those and I use them until they die, and then I just have all this stationery that I don't actually use. So like I mentioned, my desk is actually one of those places where if it's clean, I will use it, I will sit with it, but it's also the first place that I throw things on, so then I end up not using my desk. I have been reading a lot lately, just because there was a time where I wasn't reading at all. So yeah, I've been on my reading grind recently, so there are books literally everywhere. But my desk is actually not as disorganized as I thought. It's just a matter of I need to put things back where I find them. The last video that I did, I really did a deep clean. I took everything out of my drawers. I did all of that. So I feel like that's why it's a little bit more organized, and now it's not super... I didn't have to reorganize everything again. I just had to like put things back where they belong. So that's why it took me, I literally knocked out all of these things in like 1 to 2 hours. Usually it takes me like a couple hours to clean my room. But this time it was different. Then this small drawer is always like my junk drawer, like just miscellaneous things, and sometimes it's organized, sometimes it's not, and this time it was not organized. So I finally had to like, I don't even know, rearrange things so that I could actually use that drawer. And then these are the shelves that I'm talking about. Like I have this like little shelf thing, but I just store things in there. I don't really use them, so I'm wondering if I could fit my journaling stuff in there, but I don't know. My desk needed a really good wiping down because I do my own nails. I think I've mentioned that in a couple videos, but there's just like powder everywhere, and there's just like dirt and stuff, and I just wipe it down. Usually, like if I do someone else's nails, I'll definitely clean my desk because that's nasty if you don't sanitize it. But I haven't been doing people's nails in a really long time. I've only been doing mine, so it got really dusty. It got really, I don't know, disorganized. So I've been wiping everything down with a disinfectant wipe just to make sure that there's like no bacteria, no nothing, because that's nasty. But now thinking about it, I should do my nails tonight. Unrelated note, if you look at my nails in this video, they're like kind of outgrown, so I definitely need to do them. But I love how it's 11:30. It's actually at night. I get random spurts of motivation at night during the weekends, so this was me like cleaning it. And then it is November, which is crazy because we have 2 months left for the end of the year, for the end of 2024. If you're not watching this in 2024, then I don't know. But that is just like so crazy. I had to redo my little clear board thing and write down like Thanksgiving break, things that I'm going to be doing, really big assessment or exam days that I already know I'm going to have. But yeah, I just kind of planned my whole November, not all of it, just most of it. But I got this from Five Below. I actually really like it. I use it all the time, and I just can't believe that it's already November. Like, I think that's absolutely insane. Just thinking about it. Let me know what end of the year videos you want me to do. I do a lot of end of the year videos just because I love like resetting for the new year, you know? So the last thing I needed to do was my bed. I am really bad at like changing my bed sheets. I know it's kind of nasty to say, but it's true. I have had these new sheets for a while and I hadn't used them because I was waiting for me to do a room makeover, but I never ended up doing it. The room makeover is in the works, definitely in the near future, but I have these new, like, they say lavender on them. It's like a light lilac-y purple. But yeah, I just changed my bed sheets, all this stuff. I have a bunch of pillows, and I put all of them to wash, and that was the last thing that I needed to do. And now my room feels like a brand new room. I'm so excited. Let's see how long this actually lasts. Here's the thing, when I clean my room, it lasts like a month clean, and then eventually something happens, my life goes into shambles, and I spiral, and then my room becomes a mess. Yeah, but I don't know why I'm like that, because I always say clear space equals a clear mind, and that's so true, but then at the end of the day, I always end up messing up my room. But I love a clean room, so I can't tell you guys, I don't know. But yeah, I hope this video gave you some type of like motivation you needed, and if you liked my video, I tried a couple of new things with my editing, just because I've been trying to spice it up a little bit, but I'm really happy with my new room. Here's the after shots. They just look, it looks like a brand new room. Like, it looks so clean and nice, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Honestly, everything was just I just needed to like put things where they belong. Don't be like me. Keep your room organized so then you can have a clear mind and you can actually use your desk. But anyways, as I said, we only have 2 months left of 2024, so definitely let me know what videos you want to see for the end of the year, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos, and stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. I will see you guys on next Sunday. Bye guys.